Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through how to apply for a job at Walmart online, step by step. The first thing you need to do is open Google and search for Walmart jobs. From the results, make sure you click on the official Walmart Careers website, which is careers.walmart.com. Once you're on the Walmart Careers page, you can either browse all career areas or search more specifically by location. The easiest way is to type in the city or state where you want to work. Then click Search. You'll now see a list of job openings available in that location. For example, you might see positions in a fuel station, bakery, or customer service. Click on any job title to see more details about the role, including whether they're hiring for part-time or full-time, and what the main responsibilities are. If you find one that looks like a good fit, click on Apply. This will open Walmart's application system. You'll need to agree to the terms and conditions first, then click Continue. From here, Walmart may ask you to search again by location or confirm the job listing. Select the store or department you want to apply to, then click Continue. Next, you'll see the pay rate per hour and whether it's part-time or full-time. Choose the role you want, then click Continue again. Walmart will ask about your availability and job preferences, for example, if you want full-time or part-time. Fill those out and click Continue. At this stage, you'll need to set up a Walmart Careers account if you don't already have one. This account is required to complete and submit your application. Once your account is created, you can go through the rest of the application by entering your personal details, work history, and availability. When you're finished, submit your application. After that, Walmart may send updates by email or text message about your application status or any new job opportunities in your area. And that's it. That's how you can apply for a Walmart job online step by step. If this video was helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more application and tutorial guides.